A lot of the time we do not trust other people is because we do not trust ourselves. What is trust? Good question you asked. Trust is often comes down to an episode of fear or judgment. These are the outer reactions of trust because we like to put on that mask. We like to look good on TV or look good to our friends. But the reality is often very different. Trusting ourselves means being confident within yourself. It means being confident in who you are. These are the root or the grounding or the foundations. Like building a house, it's the foundations. If the foundations are not right, the house will lean to one side. Our energy and personality can do the same. Now, a number 2 is very strong. If you've got a number 2 in your birthday or your lifeline, then this energy is one of the ones that you will really struggle with. A number 2 will always struggle. The first thing you have to understand is that sometimes you do forget to communicate. And when a number 2 forgets to communicate, they kind of expect them to understand. Their loved ones are normally the closest to get to it or get the back flat or the reaction. Why didn't you do this? Because you didn't say. A number 2 is often one of the hardest to read. But a number 2 doesn't trust many people because they don't trust themselves. Trusting yourself is understanding yourself. It's knowing who you are, knowing you can do this. It's knowing. A number 2 is connected to the moon and stars very strong, very strong. You have a good connection there. But you've got to trust yourself. You've got to trust in your abilities. You've got to trust in that which you know. And you've got to trust that what you're doing is correct. And when you make a mistake, well, I'm sorry. You've got to learn to forgive. Because you lack trust in yourself, you will lack forgiveness within yourself. So you have to learn to forgive yourself. Each number has its own energy. And once you know them, you can actually look at someone and speak to them in their own energy. Once you speak to them in their own energy, they will just get it. They will just understand. Thank you for watching today, guys. Chuk